When the pressure starts to build, you feel it rise. An eruption in your heart, smoke blinding your eyes. Volcano of emotions, it's about to explode. You search for the control, but it's a heavy load. Feel the heat inside, holding on too tight. Can you calm the fury, keep it out of sight? Volcano, volcano. Rage can be benign. When the world is shaking, I'll find a way to shine. God's hand will guide me in the darkest of hours. Channel all this anger, let it bloom like flowers. Lava flows through veins, it's burning me alive. Every word a boulder, like rocks I can't revive. Breathe in the rage, can't keep it caged within. But I know there's mercy somewhere deep within. Redirect the streams, don't let it take the lead. With every step I take, I'm planting a new seed. Volcano, volcano. Rage can be benign. When the world is shaking, I'll find a way to shine. God's hand will guide me in the darkest of hours. Channel all this anger, let it bloom like flowers. So I'll keep the lava down, find peace like a stream. With love and forgiveness, I'll follow the dream. Keep the lava down, firm peace like a stream. With love and forgiveness, I'll follow the dream. With him like dream.